Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel Noor Networks. Today we will be learning about some basic networking commands, how you can know the IP address of your machine, how to get the MAC address of your machine, the use of NSLOOKUP command, what ping command does, and what tracerate command does. So let's begin. The very first command. So before that, let's see how you can go to command prompt. Click the start button, type cmd, enter. So the command prompt screen opens over here. The very first command we will type ipconfig. This command will give you the detail of your IP address, how many network adapters you have, and what are the IP addresses. Ipconfig. So you can see, guys, I have many virtual adapters. It is giving me the IP addresses of different virtual adapters, and our area of interest over here is the wireless LAN adapter to which I am connected. Let's focus on this. This is my wireless LAN adapter, and it is providing me the IP address. It is saying that my IPv4 address is 192.168.0.166, accompanied by a subnet mask 255.255.255.0. Whenever you will see a IP address, sorry, you will see that it is always accompanied by a subnet mask. Subnet mask basically show you like the particular machine whose IP address is 192.168.0.166. It belongs to 192.168.0 network with a host ID 166. We move to the second command, that is ipconfig slash all command. Basically this command will give you, along with the IP address, much more information like your MAC address, your DSCP details, and much more. So let's see, ipconfig slash all. You can see, apart from all the virtual adapters, that is not our interest now. We will be looking at our wireless LAN adapter Wi-Fi. It is say giving you the physical address, that is a MAC address of your machine. Then it is saying that your DSCP is enabled. Yes, your machine is taking IP address through a DSCP server. Which DSCP server it is taking? It is saying that it's a 192.168.0.1. Apart from that, it is showing you the IP address accompanied by a subnet mask. Thereafter, it is even showing you the lease obtained, lease expiry, default gateway, so much more. So this is how you, using the IP config command, you will be looking after your IP address of the machine for command line. And if you want to know much more like your MAC address and all, you will be giving a command ipconfig slash all. Let's move to the third command, that is nslookup. Nslookup basically query and give you the domain name assign I mean the domain name and the respective IP address. So let's see how it queries and what it does. NSLOOKUP, you will simply type in the command prompt NSLOOKUP. Now it is saying you that the default server is dealing router, which means it is saying that my for my network, default server, the server which is acting a DNS is a dealing router. It's a router which is there through which I am connecting to the internet, and it is even providing me the IP address of the DNS server. It is 192.168.0.1. So now how you will query the domain name? So you will simply type over in this prompt www.google.com, and friends, you will see that now it is providing me, it has queried and it has provided me the address of the Google 216.239.38.120. So this is how the nslookup command plays a role over here, but it queries the DNS name and provide you the resolved IP address. Let's move to the ping command. Ping command is basically used to check the reachability of the destination IP address. So over here you will be typing ping and the IP address. Let's ping the Google IP address which we have resolved in our previous command, that is 216.239.38.120. And you can see that we are reachable to the Google. It has sent 4 packets and received 4 packets. So it is saying that the loss is 0%. If this is the what we are pinging, and we are getting 4 packets. Like, let's say if you want to ping continuously and monitor that there is no drop for the longer time also, so in that case you will say then the IP address, that is 216.239.38.120, and you will add a syntax minus t, space minus t, and you can see it started to ping continuously. Over here by default it was giving you 4 packets, but when you started to ping continuously, it will go on, and it won't stop unless and until you stop it. So what is basically the thing, or a command, you will give its control C to stop this. Control C will disconnect this continuous ping. And let's move to the last command, that is tracer. Tracer is basically used to trace the path, as the name suggests, trace. It traces the path from your machine to the destination. Let's say now we were trying to ping it, right? And you have seen that the Google IP is pingable, it's reachable. So let's see how it is reachable, like through which path it goes, through which hope it goes and reaches the Google server. So we will say tracer, and you will be then adding the IP address 216.239.38.120, and it will give you the entire path, the first hope, the second hope, third hope, until it reaches the Google server, and it will be providing you the entire detail from which path it has reached from your machine to the Google server. So you can see the first hope which it has taken was my router, D-Link router. Then it moved to the ISP's, my ISP IP address, and it has finally on the 8th hope it has reached to the Google server IP address, which is 216.239.38.120. So that's all, guys, for today. If you like my video, please subscribe my YouTube channel Noor Networks, and do share with your friends, and do not forget to hit the bell icon. Thank you so much. See you in the next video. Bye.